If you are looking for some free professional advanced level course on coding with free certificate, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to talk about one advanced level course on coding designing, and the name of the course is Coding for Designers. This course is offered by Acquaint Gymnasium. It is the professional platform of coding designing. This is the advanced level course, but they are providing this course free of cost, and obviously you will get free certificate as well as badge at the end of the course. So let's see what this course is and how to enroll this course and everything about this courses. Okay, here you can see it is the Coding for Designers and it is the full course. If you look at there, you can find Coding for Designers is a free self-paced introductory course to HTML and CSS for designers with graphic design experience. No prior web or coding experience is necessary. If you are a beginner in case of learning coding, then you can do these courses, but you need to have some basic experience in case of graphic designing. So let's see for whom this course is actually. It is a seasoned graphic designer and it is for web designers looking for a coding refresher, bloggers who want to learn to code. Okay, and here you can see the instructor of these courses. If we scroll it further down, we can find the course outline. Here are basically 6 lessons, and it is the full and complete course of coding designing and advanced level. Okay, here are some free requirements and software requirements. You can go through it. Okay, I'm making sure you that whether actually you will get free certificate or not. Just simply click here, FAQ, frequently asked question. Then you will find all of the frequently asked question you actually need to have. Here first one is how much do course cost? It is free. Here you can see. Okay, and the important other thing is that certificate and badge. How do I get my certificate? You will receive a free certificate if you score more than 85% or better on the final exam of a full course. And certificate will be located on your dashboard. And here's another option, you can get badge. You will receive a badge if you score more than 80%. So there's a basic difference that between certificate and badge. If you score more than 85%, then you will get your certificate, and if you get more than 80% score, then you will get your badge. I think both are the nice to have. So let's see how to actually start these courses. We should go back further. Okay, if we scroll it down, then here we find one option, get started. Just simply click over there. Okay, here we can find 2 options. If we are new here, we need to register, but if we have already an account here, we can log in. As I already have account, we can click here, sign in. Okay, just simply give your email address and password and click over there, sign in. Okay, here you can see I've logged in my account successfully, and here are my courses. Okay, just simply need to click over there, go to course. Okay, here you can see the syllabus, assessment quiz, lesson quizzes, final quiz, and certificate of excellence. And here is a course line. Okay, so these are the thing you have idea about these courses. So to enroll courses, you just need to simply click over there, lessons. Okay, when you click over the lessons, then you will get this. Here is all of your lessons, and at the end of the lessons you will get here final exam. Just simply need to click over the there, get started, then you'll be able to enroll these courses. After completing these courses, you just need to click here. Here is your dashboard to get your certificate or badge, whatever you achieve from these courses, and you'll be able to download it from there.